possibly I'll give on this.
Okay, all right, Ambrish, got that. Thank you very much for your time today. Great talking to you as always. We are down to the final couple of seconds of today's trading action. And the headline is that we are ending pretty much at the lows of the session. So the memory of that one-day rebound move, that's already fairly distant because we've got a 140-point cut as the Nifty is going home exactly at the day's lows. Very quickly to talk about what the big drags were. You have quite a few of the top IT names there, TCS and Infosys. Tech Mahindra is also on the downside. Banks didn't have much to write home about. HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, SBI. Most of these names have been on the downside of the screen. ICICI losing about 0.5% as well. And then, which are the other noticeable Nifty losers? Maruti Suzuki, the biggest loser on the index, 2.5% down. Nestle seen some gains shave off. M&M, Cipla, quite a few names on the downside. On the upside, on the Nifty at least, it was only Adani Ports. Actually, most of the Adani Group stocks have managed to close with gains. Adani Ports is up about 3%. Some buying on BPCL on a Coal India. A little bit of buying on Hero Moto. That was probably the only large cap auto stock that was positive. But other than that, it's fairly bleak and negative. Prashant, by the end of it, I guess even mid-caps came under pressure. Not as much as the frontliners, but pressure in the broader markets as well.
Oh, yeah. I mean, almost 1,300 stocks lower, 970 stocks higher is what we had. So, you know, I'll just count off the gainers first. Lodha, by the way, ends limit up 20% higher at about 1,013, 1,014. So that's a pretty solid move on Lodha, which came in today. Ambuja Cements was up 4 1/3, Adani Group company. Wilmar, Ambrish was just talking about it. It's at 400, although Ambrish says he'd buy it at about 280 or so. He'd be a buyer. RVNL is up 12, IRFC is up 5, Angel 1 was up about 5.5, Adani Transmission 5. Again, I think in the Adani group, more up than down. GE Shipping 4.5% in the green. Big correction, by the way, from the highs. Just under 600 now after today's gain. What else? Surya Roshni was up about 5%. Westlife was up 5% or so as well. Big volume-led losses. So Yes Bank was down 3.5%. We can put up Siemens India 4% lower. Triveni Turbine 20% in the last 2 days. It gave back 7% today. CG Power was down about 3%. Escorts was down 4%. Escorts was up 4% yesterday, so gave back all of it completely. Uflex was down 4%. Again, Uflex saw large moves in the last 2 days on the upside. These are just reversals. I mean, look at Rupa, for example, 10% gain yesterday, gave back 4% today. KEI Industries, Traxon, Texmaco Rail, etc. All, as I go down the list, volumes thin out, but these are the losers that we had in a trade today. So, I mean, the whipsawing continues, no clear trend, no clear direction, sharp losses, 8 sessions in a row. 150-point gain yesterday, and today we gave back 130 points of it. I think all eyes back on US markets and what happens in terms of market interest rates in the US 2-year, the US 10-year. Those will be very much in focus as we come back tomorrow once again. It's a wrap on Closing Bell. From all of us here, thanks very much for watching. Don't go anywhere. Our Thursday special Big Deal comes up next in just a bit.